everyone, this is Kritika, your host, and you are watching Podar Bulletin. This week's news headlines are: PT2 exam began smoothly with student enthusiasm. International English Olympiad to be held on 26 September. Podar football team clinches glorious victory. Podar International School Gondia secures runner-up title in District Basketball Championship. PIS Gondia shines at District Taekwondo Championship. Podar International School Gondia celebrates Hindi Divas with pride. Podar Prep celebrates International Dot Day with creativity and color. The PT2 examination for classes 9th and 10th has commenced and is progressing smoothly. Students are appearing for the exams with full preparation, dedication and enthusiasm. The atmosphere in the school reflects the hard work and determination of the learners as they confidently attempt their papers. The school management and teachers are ensuring a conducive environment so that students can perform to the best of their abilities. The dates for the upcoming Olympiad examination organized by the Science Olympiad Foundation (SOF) have been announced. The International English Olympiad will be conducted on 26th of September during the school hours. The participating students are hereby informed to ensure their preparation and readiness for the upcoming examination. The players of PIS Gondia showcased outstanding skills and team spirit, securing a remarkable victory in football, bringing pride and glory to the school. Their coordination, energy and strategy on the field won admiration from all. Principal Mr. Mahendra Jagdale congratulated the champions, crediting their success to hard work, coaching guidance and the school's strong supporting culture. The team was ably guided by coaches Mr. Anand Gadekar and Ms. Varsha Oke. This achievement stands as an inspiration for budding athletes of the school. The team will now represent the school in the divisional level football tournament. Basketball team of PIS Gondia created a proud moment for the institution by clinching second place at the Gondia District Basketball Championship. The players impressed everyone with their passion, discipline and exceptional teamwork. Congratulating the achievers, Principal Mr. Mahendra Jagdale expressed confidence that the team's hard work will take them to even greater heights in the future. He emphasized that such accomplishments bring honor to the entire Podar family. Special recognition was given to sports coach Mr. Anand Gadekar for his consistent guidance and motivation, which played a vital role in the team's success. This achievement once again proves that with determination, dedication and unity, remarkable milestones can be achieved. Girls of PIS Gondia delivered an outstanding performance at the Gondia District Level Taekwondo Championship, winning multiple medals and qualifying for the Divisional Level Championship. In the under-14 category, Yana Manuja won gold 26 kg, Arika Gupta gold 31 kg, Harshi Ladhani won gold 24 kg and Aral Gupta won 26 kg silver. In the under-17 category, Naisa Chauhan won gold 48 kg. Principal Mahendra Jagdale appreciated the efforts of coach Mr. Anand Gadekar. The players will now represent the school in the divisional level competition. PIS Gondia joyfully celebrated Hindi Divas, honoring our mother tongue that connects us to culture and identity. The event was graced by Principal Mahendra Jagdale, Shri Ramesh Sharma, retired banker, poet and social worker, and Professor Prashant Sharma, Polytechnic College Vedic mathematics expert. The program featured soulful Dohe recreations followed by a play highlighting the significance of Hindi in today's world. Guest Shri Ramesh Sharma delivered an inspiring speech on respecting Hindi, while Principal Mahendra Jagdale urged students to value their mother tongue in daily life. The celebration concluded with the message that Hindi is not just a language but the living soul of our culture and heritage. Podar Prep Gondia celebrated International Dot Day on 15 September 2025 with the theme "Dot by Dot We Create a Colorful World." The event highlighted creativity, courage and collaboration, inspiring children to explore imagination and build confidence. Aligned with the Panchakosha framework of NCF 2022, activities like the Magic Dot, Dots with Beads and Creative Dot-based tasks nurtured holistic development across all grades. Headmistress Naomi Stephenson graced the occasion and explained the significance of dot. Adding to the learners' enthusiasm, the creativity reflected the children's imagination, teamwork, and joy of self-expression, proving that creativity truly begins with a single dot. This concludes today's news bulletin. We will be back with some more important updates. Thanks for watching.